Today we're going to be discussing the emotion that you might experience if your archetype is the gifter. Now, the gifter typically finds fulfillment and deep connection with other people by giving. You might want to go on and do online shopping. You might want to be able to spend even in things that you don't necessarily need to spend because you're confined, you need to compensate for it. Use the lockdown as a time to review your spending habits. Because gifters take such joy in giving, they may not be as attentive to their savings as they could, leading to increased worry about financial uncertainty. If you do not share this burden with others, it can grow out of proportion in your mind. So allow others to be there for you. Speak to a trusted friend or a family member, or seek the help of a professional financial advisor, because you don't need to travel this road alone. If you stop spending during this lockdown, you might find that at the end of the 21 days, you actually have surplus money. Use that surplus money to increase the amount of money you're using to save. The second point that I want to raise about gifters is that they may struggle during the lockdown with giving to the point of depriving others of the joy of giving. What happens is that you become the one who's always generous and giving people, but other people don't get a chance to give. I want you to give other people an opportunity during this period to let them step up, let them take over in the role of giving. And this might mean that you find alternative ways of giving. It might mean giving up your time, taking the time to send somebody an SMS, to write them a letter. You might also give in terms of sharing your wisdom, and that is also a gift that can add value to other people and actually strengthen the connection that you have with others. Thirdly, as a gifter, use this time to critically reflect on the way that you give to the point of depriving yourself of the joy of taking. You might be feeling anxious and you might be feeling depressed because of the disconnection and the isolation, right? So speak to somebody, send them a call, tell them I'm not okay, touch base with them, let them give you and find the same fulfillment you have by giving to them. Because now you are learning reciprocity, that I can give and take as well, and I'm letting other people give and take from me. Now, it is absolutely goes without saying that these are extraordinary times. None of us know what lies ahead. But we can be sure of one thing. No matter how you are feeling, money well managed can make all the difference. So let's do what we can as South Africans. Let's flatten the curve. Let's stay indoors. Let's take care of our health. Continue with exercising. Drink lots of water. Keep a routine that at least allows you to continue with good habits so that at the end of the 21 days, you come out stronger and healthy to take on the world. I wish you all the best. Goodbye.